Good morning, good morning. Holy moly, babies. Mm, man, tired. Tired as fuck. Got my coffee and it's Friday. Ooh, I've got a song for everybody. Benjamin, what's up? You guys ever heard this song? Look, check this out. Yeah! Yeah! Fun, 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 fun. Guys, check us out. Alright, this video of this song on YouTube has... Hold up, let me get this a little smaller. This video has 126 million views, right? And 3.3 million dislikes. It's commonly known as one of the worst songs ever made. But it's probably the greatest song ever. Oh, baby. Gotta get it going. I'm tired, man. I've been working a lot. We have the, Alexa, stop. We have the, Crypto Critique going out today. I'll show you guys a little preview if you want to see it. It's our newsletter. Show you some shit. Alright, here it is. Telling you guys about this. Ready? Is you ready and shit? Oh yeah. We have a full market outlook. Where the market cap's going. 3 projects to watch. Reviewing Bismuth. Reviewing LuxCore. So, it's just our first one. It'll get better. The next one will definitely be more encompassing. Peter, what's up, man? What's up, Div? Next one will be much larger. But yeah, it's exciting. A lot of hard work went into this. David wrote the Bismuth article, and then I did the rest. Because he had to go to the army, and like he got called to the army last second. Nothing he could do about it, and he'll be back 2 days from now, I believe. And then we'll be able to start working on next month's and have more time for it now. So, yeah. Hey guys, good morning. It's been a nice little. This girl got rich thanks to this shit. Yes, she did. She got rich as shit. Well, Daddy was already rich. That was like Daddy's. Like she was like, Daddy, I want to be a music star. So he put that all together for her. But I guess that's the story. And then everybody just said this is the worst shit I've ever heard in my life. The song's actually terribly awesome. She can't sing. There's a lot of auto-tune, but the music's the song is, I've heard worse songs. I have. All right, I want to share with you guys a poem I wrote. I've been really into writing poetry lately. Before we get going. All right, so on days that I lift, I get a Chipotle burrito after I lift because I need 3,200 calories on the days I lift, and that shit is impossible. I'm not hungry enough to eat 3,200 calories of good food, is what I'm saying, okay? Like, not pizza and fucking hot wings and ranch dressing and ice cream. I can smack 3,200 calories of bad food any day of the week, French fries and all that, but I need, solid food. So here's a poem that I wrote about driving my Chipotle home. Ready? If you guys, for anybody overseas that doesn't know what Chipotle is this Mexican spot, but they have like fresh ingredients, and you go down the line, tell them what you want, and they make these fat ass burritos, and they're delicious. So here's my poem. And then driving home afterwards is really difficult because you have this big ass burrito, you just want to destroy it, right? So here it goes. Here goes nothing. Sharing a piece of my life with you guys. Chicken, rice, salsa cheese. You beside me is such a tease. Flour tortilla, guacamole. I can't take it. Holy moly. 5 more minutes until we're there. These hunger pangs I cannot bear. You won't tell if, in the car, I take a bite, or is that too far? Okay, I'll stop, El Burrito. But when we're home, you're finito. Thank you. I wrote that for the people. You have Chipotle in France too. Nice. Nice. Yeah, so thank you, Peter. We put a lot of hard work into it. You think there are none in Germany. So you're telling me, Peter, you've never had Chipotle, bro. You've never had Chipotle. It's crazy. Morning, Carmen. Yo, you guys see my shirt? I kissed a dog and I liked it. Yeah, that's right. I kissed 2 dogs and I like it. That's right. Nicely done. Bravo. Thank you, Carmen. I been writing a lot of stupid poetry lately. Great poem, but keep with trading. Yeah, no, I'll do. I'll still write some dumbass poems. I think when I'm done with crypto, I might write a book. It'll be like stupid toilet poetry, right? So they'll have like the book of poetry behind the toilet, and then when you're on the toilet, you read the book and laugh. I'm thinking about making it like Poetry for Morons or something like that, and just like a compendium of like 200 poems that I write over time. I busted 5 out in the last 7 days, and it takes me about 3 minutes to write each of them. And then have pictures with them, whether somebody draws them or you take stupid pictures. Yeah, and just make it like this big. Make it that big, Greetings from York. Dubrovko. Hello. I should send a poem to them. Actually, I was thinking last night, I should contact their marketing department, and they could have a commercial or a marketing strategy where people write poems about their burritos or their Chipotle, and they read them with like an all-white room, their all-white background, and they're just there, and it's very intimate, would be the word. And they read how they feel about their Chipotle burrito, and it's tongue-in-cheek, obviously, or the burrito bowl or their salad. And I don't know. I think people would laugh, but hey, what do I know? I'm just a fucking pleb. So let's get to. I like to chit chat with you guys for the first 5-10 minutes every day, okay? Because we're more than just master and slave here. Chart for me, boy. You guys are saying. Yeah. Oh, I'm sore. I'm sore. All right. And it is shitty outside. I complained about the weather yesterday, or 2 days ago, or whatever. It is bad, man. It is gray. It is super rainy. Leaves are falling. It's cold. It's really cold. It's really cold. I'm hanging on by a thread here, boys and girls. The wife busted out the heated blanket last night. That is crazy shit. That's like, you know how, like, I don't know, every year you do your spring cleaning and that can be like starting spring or whatever. Or like baseball start and people will say, oh, it's the beginning of spring, summer's coming, baseball's starting. Well, I feel like when the wife busts out the heated blanket, that's the start of winter, or basically winter, because fall here is basically like winter. So when she busts out the electric blanket, it's time for cold ass weather. It sucks ass. I'm fucking tired of it, okay? I'm sick of it. But last thing before we get going, she did raise a great question. A great question. All right. This is, I don't know why anybody hasn't thought of this. And I think being in the heated blanket business is the place to be because, number one, for our lifetimes, there'll always be cold ass places, right? And people, especially women, love heated blankets, okay? Don't take this the wrong way. All right, so you know how cats like to be warm all the time? They like to cuddle up and stuff like that? Some dogs do, but mostly cats. Women are like cats, okay? They like to be warm all the time and they're always cold until they start hitting menopause and then they're always hot and it's weird. Men are like dogs. Dogs have fur, men run hot, and men are always warm. That's why men give their coat to women, because they can stomach it. Men are not mentally tougher than women. I don't care what anybody says. Men are not mentally tougher than women. You get a cold, you're bitching every single day, you're crying, you're moaning, you're on the couch. Women get colds, and they're like, all right, I gotta go to work. All right? And they're fucking wiping everything down in the house. I gotta get these germs out of my house. So, it's not about mental toughness. It's just men run hotter than women do for whatever reason. Maybe it's beards or something. But the good question is, how do you wash an electric blanket? All right, so first it's an electric blanket, right? And you're using it for months on end during the winter. Okay? You use it damn near every day. If it's cold, you're fucking using the electric blanket. It's how it goes. Or, you know, people look forward to this shit where I come from. You can't wash it. You can't wash it. So, are you... First off, going a month without washing a blanket that you use every day is disgusting. Second off, it's heated, so you're sweating your ass off under it, right? Germs. Are you supposed to buy a new electric blanket every month? Are you supposed to buy a new electric blanket every year? That seems a little far. This blanket's still really nice, but we can't fucking wash it. I mean, maybe you could hand wash it and keep the electric plug out of it, but that's still dangerous. Real questions, folks. Div says my legs are so sore I can't walk. All right, thank you for listening. Let's get to the charts. I'm bringing up real issues here. Same old song and dance with Bitcoin's going sideways. It's looking very promising. If we look at the monthly candle and how it closed, this looks like, and I was going to fucking tweet this out and Gap beat me to it. This looks like a 3 inside up pattern. Images. No, that's not it. It's 3 white crows, white soldiers. Yes, it looks like 3 white soldiers. Guys, does that look like 3 white soldiers? Does that look like 3 white soldiers? 3 white soldiers. No, that's not it. That's not it. I had it the other day. Fucking, let me look at Gat. Because he had it. I forget what they're all called, all those 3 things. There's like 17 3 candlestick patterns. Where you at, boy? Where you at, boy? Crypto Banger had it too. I had it first. I didn't tweet it. I forgot about it. I hate that shit because the only person that knows the truth is yourself. I should have tweeted it. Damn, he tweets a lot. Jesus, Gat. Come on, bro. It's important you guys see this. Give me a minute. I almost put this in the newsletter. But then I read a whole article about it, and something happens at the last minute, and the pattern's defeated, and the article is null and void moving forward. I didn't think that was the best thing to do. This fucker tweeted it. I'm telling you right now, he tweeted about it. I think it was on the 30th or something. Jesus Christ, this savage. All right, well, whatever. We'll find it. It's 3 candlestick. Here we go, rising 3 methods. Jesus Christ. There's literally like, with 3 in it, there's like 20 candlestick patterns. It's just hard to remember them all. Rising 3 methods. Does this not look like rising 3 methods? Guys? 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 All right, let's type it in. On the monthly, too. That's like big time shit. I'm getting bullish. Getting excited. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Bang, 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 bang. Look at it. Oh my God. Freak it out. Rising 3 methods. Woo. Woo. Very excited. Oh, sorry, buddy. I didn't know you were back there. Hi. Sorry, I didn't mean to kick you. Can you believe that? Does that look like that or what? So let's look at it here. Let's learn something together. How to trade rising 3 methods. Go to BitMEX and long 100x. The rising 3 methods is a bullish candlestick pattern that is used to predict the continuation of a current uptrend. And guys, we would call this an uptrend if we go to log, right? Because we're on the monthly. The first bar of the pattern is a long white or green candlestick within a defined uptrend. A series of 3 consecutive descending small-bodied black candlesticks that trade above the low of the first candlestick. Well, that's certainly it. A long white candlestick creates a new high, which suggests the bulls are back in control the market's direction. So we should put an alert on the high of this candlestick, real body, and just put it there. See what happens. Okay? Now let's go to Bitfinex shorts and longs. I'm not worried about parity, guys, and like worried about people, here we go, like being too bullish or anything like that, because there's still almost 4,500 shorts more than longs. Shorts are closing, and in times of bullishness, there can be fucking so many more longs than shorts. It's actually odd for shorts to be higher than longs this long. Still kind of offering a counter trade. Shorts and longs have decreased this morning. Shorts have. Shorts are like, fuck. People are getting bullish, man. I really think so. What happens here, guys, by the, 13th of November, so we have like, 11 days or something like that. That'll tell us everything. But for now, this was just a higher low within market structure, and it looks fucking awesome, okay? So let's look at ETH. ETH is starting to look good. Back over, we'll call it like the low 200s. It's, if you guys see ETH at 220-ish, It's still within market structure, okay? Because I could hedge this and go a million different ways. I'm not trading ETH right now. One thing I am trading is fucking Ripple. Ripple! Ripple looks great. It's above the 618 if you go up here. It's above the 0.5 if you go up here. If you go down here. It looks amazing. It looks amazing. It looks so good, guys. This is bullish. And then I tweeted today. Forget fibs right now. It's not cloud bullish yet on the daily, but it is moving average bullish. You can make a lot of money trading moving averages. Hello? Earth to fucking Arc Squad. Daily moving average bullish. 20 EMA is greater than the 50 moving average, is greater than the 200 moving average, which means our short-term price velocity is greater than that of our mid-term price velocity, which is greater than that of our long-term price velocity. And if I zoom out, moving average bullish, look at this moving average bullish. Look at this shit. It went moving average bullish down here. Boom, boom. This is the last 2 times Ripple's been moving average bullish. It has melted fucking faces. Melted faces. It needs to get going to continue this, but there's a chance. There's a chance. And, all right, so I just tweeted. XRP fractal playing out. I'm comparing, this is today's price action with this, and this is that, okay? So you know, this is that. The one on the right is back last spring, 2017. Whoops. So, big ass rise, fall. This caught the 20, this has caught the 50, but it's moving average bullish. And all I'm saying is it's the big spike, consolidation to the side, big spike, consolidation to the side. It's fib bullish, it's moving average bullish. This could be the start of an uptrend. We need volume. But there's nothing in its way. Nothing in its way. The 236 will be in its way, but as long as it stays above the 0.5, it's fine. Like, we good. Moving average bullish. And you, like, I don't care who you are, even if you hate Ripple, you need to be rooting for it because it can bring in a lot of stupid money to the market. If it can melt faces and create a lot of media attention, like, oh, like when CNBC told people how to buy Ripple at the top, like stupid media attention and FOMO kicks in, and then that stupid money discovered Ripple, and now it's coming to buy, oh, what? Coinbase just said they could have 200 coins on Coinbase with damn near a click of the fingers after that pre-funding raise of $300 million, and that they plan to do it. This is all setting up, guys. I am bullish. Fucking shoot me, okay? Ain't my fault. I'm reading charts. I'm doing what I'm doing. These charts are different than they have been in the last 9-10 months, okay? Everything within Ripple's current move says that it should go up, okay? It just needs volume. But everything on this current move, doesn't matter how you fib it, everything on this current move says it should go up. It's clearing resistance. And at daily close, we should zoom in here. A daily candle close over the real bodies of this range, which is where it's currently over, so we'll call 71.90, is, and I'll put an alert there. Just double click on it. Greater than. Once per bar close. Great. If it closes like this, we are off to the fucking races. We're off to the races. Aight? You understand? You understand? All right. Litecoin's back above 50. Doing his thing. MFT. MFT should get going now. Just needs volume. Close above this range yesterday. Right here. Close above this wick yesterday. So this wick. Right here. And then it's back above again today. It should continue going. Neo's bouncing. This is not a bad spot to long Neo with a stop below 233. My computer's so slow right now. Should have restarted it first. OMG, not a bad spot to low or to long. Stop on a daily close below. You can call 47,000 daily close below. That'd be a new daily close low. I don't know, man. I'm going to fucking BitMEX and I'm long on Ripple, and you can't stop me. So let's do this. Please don't long the top. Please don't let me long the top. I know I'm scared. The unknown. My fucking Bitcoin long missed by $2. I had an order at 61.3150. It's still sitting there, and the low was 61.3350. Let's long Ripple near 72.07 on BitMEX. We're going to do 10,000 of them at 3x leverage, which gives me a liquidation price of $49.85. I'm going to change 72.10. 3x leverage, 10,000 of them. Liquidation price $49.85. Okay. Bah. All right, done. Cool. We did that together. And then if it stops out, it'll stop out. I'll just watch the other chart, the other exchange, and it'll stop out. I'll fib this from bottom to top. So this 618 fib here that it was respecting, we'll call it 6,900. If the daily closes below 6,900, I'll stop out. Cool. So I'll put an alert at 6,900. $6,894 is as close as it'll get me. That less than once per bar close. Create. All right. There's my battle lines. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, Pcash is pumping. Don't tell me Pcash is pumping. Pcash is pumping. Kind of. Not really. They're going to have a contentious fork. It'll probably scam pump. I'm just not interested, man. Not interested. What's ADA doing? This is a spot to long. It actually fucking bounced. I can't believe it. This is a spot to long, man. Do you guys see what I see? This be the spot to long. Just find setups like this and long them. Put a stop on a daily close below the trend line. It's really simple. Like all across the market. What's BAT doing? BAT, that's a bullish pattern. If it comes back down, it's being denied at the 236 currently. Almost ready. Daily close below or above 4107 is a fucking go for BAT. EOS doing its thing. A daily close over 84.4 should be a move up to 86-ish, and then a breakout if it can. I'm liking VeChain for the risk reward. We put this call out yesterday. My computer's being so slow. I need to restart it, but I can't. All right, so if we go to the hourly, we longed it under 166, but really when I put it out, it was 164, and it went down a couple sats because it's breaking out of this range just by the sheer art of sideways movement. But, all right, if we go to the daily, you see this long bleed, and it's below the 618, right? Like, oh, shit. Well, that can happen. If we put the .65, which is the common place that markets wick down to, they call it the golden pocket. It's not anything scientific, but yeah, it's holding the golden pocket. Okay, points been in between the 618 and the 65. Cool. All right, that's awesome. But something that was very telling to me is that on the hourly, it looks like a double bottom. And the double bottom gave us a fuck ton of volume. Like a fuck ton of volume, okay? See that right there? It shot up this double bottom, it double bottomed on the hourly, and then shot up with volume. Big middle finger, fuck you, bears. So, the stop is below 159 on a daily close. See this? If a daily candle closes below 159, I'm out. We are going to call this a 618 to a 382 move, okay? We'll say this bounce at the 618 and look to deleverage at the 382. Not only because 618s go to 382s, but because if you try to climb out of the hole of the real bodies, I always talk about climb out of the hole, that's where the hole is. Ha, where's the hole? Ha ha. Okay? It's up to you if you want to take full profit, semi-profit, something there. But that's a fantastic. It's a 7 or 5 over a 5 risk reward. Trying to gain 39 sats, you could lose 7 if you get in at 166. You could lose 5 if you get in at 164, where I called it. That's trading, baby. I'm confident about it. We'll see. If you lose, you don't lose much at all. The technical setup is there. Technical setup is there. Icon, speed of spot to long. At this point, I'd put a stop below 9,400 on a daily close and fucking have at it. See what happens. ELF, we're long on Crypto Critics. It looks awesome. Knowles has had bullish momentum behind it. Looks great. Look at this volume candle. Bang Sun, still in profit. Storm, it probably wants to test 1 day 20 EMA before it comes back up. If I get a chance to add more at 145, I'm fucking doing it. I'm doubling my position. XLM looks fucking awesome. It's bouncing off the 618. We added some at 35.25 in the private group yesterday. In profit, Zilliqa, bro, it's ready to break out. It's about to do big fucking things. Let's go. We got it at 520. That is ready to break out. Let's do it, Zill. You'll melt faces. Mainnet in December, I believe. That'll be one of our best trades for a while. Oh, Tomo bounced yesterday? I believe. Oh, shit. Go to the 4 hour. That looks like a bull flag / falling wedge. So go back to the daily. Put on the moving averages. Right off of the 50 moving average. I'm going to call it right off that. Alright, I need to change this background back. This is fucking... Oh my goodness. Fucking terrible. How about just background? Well, this is better. What does the 50 moving average? What's the fib say? What does the fox say? Good God. Right off the 0.5 fib and the 50 moving average of the current move. Bullish. Bullish. As fuck. She ain't done. Technically bullish. Go, baby. $100 million market cap. I'll see you at a 7x. I wrote about your ass for a reason. What do I think about IOTA, the project? I hate it. The chart, great risk reward. But scam coins pump best. I'm not, I mean, you could long it here, stop below 7,000 sats on a daily close. That's what I think about it. QSP, good project. auditing other blockchains is not a is a net positive, and it's ready to go. Looks ready to pump up to about 1,000 to 1,100 sats. There you go. That's all you need to know. Volume's good. Qtum, ready to go. Great risk reward. Degenerate Restless said, fuck yeah, I'm a degenerate. Nice, Benjamin. You can long it with me, man. We'll win together or lose together. Div said Zill mainnet end of year, in my opinion. So they don't have an... Or end of January. Okay, so we're within a 3-month striking distance for the Zilliqa mainnet. I mean, that's time to be buying. Could we look at BNB, please? Yes, Restless. You act so nicely. I would love to look at BNB with you. I'm not as bullish on BNB from a chart pattern because, all right, well, time out. Shut up, Noah. This is not a head and shoulders. It could have been back here. Okay, you could have had a Quasimodo right shoulder. This, I don't know anybody with a shoulder that long. You know what I'm saying? But a lot of this looks like that. So let's redo this entire chart. Okay? I just need to start over. Let's take off the moving averages, except for the 200. They don't matter right now. They're coiled. We're trendless. All right. Let's trend fib this to see where it extended to. Should be the 1 or the 1272, 113. 113 almost, but it was the 1. Perfect. Perfect place to draw back. Now, if that was an entire uptrend, what part of that uptrend is it at? All right, it's holding the 0.5 fib. Perfect. It's still macro bullish. Now, is it a 618 of this trend? I doubt it. It's probably a 786. It is. It's a 618. It's right in the golden pocket. This is not a bad spot to be longing, guys. A daily close below 145,000 sats, I'd be fucking out. Otherwise, 382 is the first target. Well, the 200 moving average technically should be 172 and then 194. And then keep moving up your stop as you go. But those are your two targets. Your daily stop is 145,000 candle close below on the daily. Just get out. And this would be the spot. There probably hasn't been a volume spike, but there's always a need for Binance Coin. I always go buy a couple when I'm out, when I'm trading. So this would be the spot to buy Binance Coin, to be honest with you. Glad you had me look at that. Thank you. Benjamin said, I feel like Key just did a resistance support flip and is heating up. Do you agree, Noah? Let's take a look. Where the fuck is Key at? Is it in my actual list? No. I'm sorry, guys. The bottom of my list is just scatter coins that don't stay on for very long. And I thought I had it on here. All right, we'll go to current trades and go to Key. Yep. Now, the only thing you need to watch out here, Benjamin. Oh my God, it's so slow. Come on. So it's a resistance support flip. That's a great eye. It is. Did we get any volume off of it? No, but we have volume through resistance, so it's fine. It's just consolidating. No volume tells me we're just consolidating. We could be throwing up a consolidation pattern here. So what I would do is I would try to get in again near like 115 to 118. Daily 20 EMA is coming up. This is going to go sideways. It's going to let the daily 20 EMA catch up, and then it'll probably take off again. It'll probably take off again. And then the first resistance will be like 137-ish, right near the 236. Yeah, good eye. It'll probably go sideways and then continue on. Daily 20 minutes just got to catch up. I don't think this has started yet. All right, Dent. I haven't charted this. This isn't DentaCoin, is it? Trendline obviously is a place to grab it, but this daily 20 EMA is as well. Now you have horizontal resistance off of this candle, and it's an ascending triangle, and that's all you need to know. Has there been volume? For probably what is a small cap coin, yes. And definitely more bullish and bearish. It hasn't had its true volume breakout, which I believe will come on the breakout of the ascending triangle, but understand that this is a rounded bottoming pattern into an ascending triangle, and an ascending triangle is a bullish formation, okay? And this is riding the 20 EMA. I'd grab it there, I'd grab it on the trend line, and wait for the breakout. I think it'll happen. Everything's looking good, man. It looks good. The market looks good. It looks healthy. Oh, shit. Life is good. All right. Can you guys like the video, please? If you like the video. I have a million DMs, man. IOTA was just added to Ledger. I just got an email. We're very excited to announce the integration of IOTA, one of the world's top crypto assets, with Ledger hardware wallets. There you go. Never a bad thing to have secure storage solutions. I sound like a fucking idiot when I say that. All right. Looks like we're losing steam. So, you guys know where to find me. I got a ton of work to do. Good coffee, good talk. Look at a couple coins. Market's bullish. Should have a good weekend. Tomorrow at 11 a.m., I'm going to do a BitMEX tutorial for you guys. Stay tuned. I believe 10 people, 10 bronze members in Crypto Critics will be selected. You have to go into the announcements channel in our Discord and click the that thumbs up button at the bottom of the post. And then at 11 a.m. Eastern time tomorrow, I will be streaming. It'll be 30, 45 minutes. I'll walk you through BitMEX, walk you through the platform, etc. So, cool. All right, guys. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. One love. Have a good weekend, please. Be safe.